In this video, we'll show you our top 5 Disney resort rooms with an awesome view. We'll start with number 5, Disney's Grand Californian Resort. Let's go.
I can't wait for California. I've been waiting for you.
ETT squad, we just checked in at the Grand Californian Resort, and you're not gonna believe our room. Wait till you see it. I gotta show you. It's so gorgeous, the views. We don't have magic bands here. We have key cards, the old-fashioned way, right, Lovey?
Yeah. So room number 6504.
Yep, 6504, the best room. It's right in the corner, and wait till you see the grand view. Oh my God, the Disney California Adventure Park is unbelievable, the view. Welcome to our suite, ETT squad. Oh boy, this is so nice. It's so cozy here. Of course, you got your, I'm gonna call it a queen size bed. You got all your amenities, your drawers right here, the kitchen. But yeah, so this is why you booked this room. This is the best villa view here at the Disney California Adventure. It can't get better than this. Oh no, not with these views. No, nothing better than this. The only thing better than this is the suites. The suites, they're not Disney Vacation Club. That's about it. We're on the top floor. You can see World of Color. Check this out. You can see Cars Land. Oh, this is gorgeous at nighttime. Cars Land. And you got Pixar Pier. You got Incredicoaster. Look at Incredicoaster. How fun. Guardians of the Galaxy right there. Actually, we could literally walk on the roof right there and film in that spot right here. that'd be too funny, right? In our number 4 spot, we travel to the east coast of Florida, where you'll find our next favorite, Disney VERO Beach Resort. We're in our favorite room, 2427. Let's do a quick tour. I've done a lot of tours of this room. It's in my playlist, Disney VERO Beach Resort. So if you want to check them out, go ahead and check them out. And then let me show you the view. This is why this room is our favorite view. Not oceanfront, but yes, we do see the ocean. Check this out. Wow! Oh, and Tino's out there with the jet ski rig. Now let's go back to Disney World for our number 3 favorite spot, Copper Creek at the Wilderness Lodge. Comment below if you think this should be ranked number 1. You'll see what I mean. Hi ETT squad, we're here at Wilderness Lodge, beautiful Copper Creek. I'm going to show you my suite. We're in 7115. Let's go. Whoa, this is so nice. Look at this. OMG. My own personal little kitchen. And I got my own family room. And I can't believe, look at the views out here. I'm like shocked. Look at the view. This is like the best room at this resort at Copper Creek. You have views from every side. We got about one balcony there. Another balcony on this side. We're going to show you a sofa, sleep out sofa, your huge bathroom. Let's show them the bathroom. You got your separate. You can even close the door. One of those slide. Oh yeah, right here. Close the door if you want privacy. While you're taking your shower. Views in this room are gorgeous. Check this out. Look at this. We got a pool view and the lake view. Let's walk outside to the balcony. We just came back from Disney Hollywood Studios. We filmed another Planet by 2 video, and we'll put it in the link below. Let's go outside. Let's check out the balcony. Look, whoa. Look at this, how gorgeous. Look at those views, ETT squad. Is that unbelievable? That is just beautiful. You come here to relax, just take it easy. After you've been at the park all day at Planet Bud 2, and just go swim in the pool, go take the boat across the Fort Wilderness and just relax. Oh, we get to see the geyser. We're going to be able to see the geyser from here. Let's go. I love this. Look at this. There's so much room in here. Look. You know, ETT squad, when I do my spin, There's a lot of room in here. It's a big room. Look, Lovey.
Yeah.
We have a table for two, but like always, if we have other ETT squad members, they want to come visit, and we'll hang out.
Yeah. Good table right there.
Yeah. Well, you got a sleep sofa right there. Sleeper sofa.
All right.
And then you walk into your bedroom. Look at how cozy this is.
So it's actually a studio, but it seems like it's got a one bedroom.
Oh no, this is a suite. This is a suite. This is a suite.
Sweet studio.
And look at the headboard, all the texture. It's so detailed. You even got a map of the wilderness. You got Washington State, Oregon, California, all the states that we love, all the scenic states
Actually,
of America. What?
Remember we were here for the grand opening.
Yeah, we were here for the grand opening. We got some videos too. We'll also put some links below.
Well, no, they'll be at the end screen.
Huh? Yeah, at the end screen. That's right. We'll put them at the end screen.
Yeah, so you just
That's
click
right.
it.
For all my new ETT Squad members, you guys have tons of videos. Besides Planet Batu, you have all Disney parks and more resorts.
Whoa, whoa,
Wait.
whoa, whoa,
Whoa, what?
This is the only studio I've ever been in that has two TVs. One
Oh
over
yeah,
here,
that's right.
one
Yeah.
over here.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We have to find out what this is called. 'Cause to me, this
All
is
right.
a suite.
It's
This
the
is a suite.
penthouse suite.
It's a suite. Flat screen.
Two balconies.
Right there. Two balconies.
whoa,
Oh yeah,
whoa.
yeah. I forgot. Another balcony right
number
here.
2.
And then you got two views. You got the view of the pool here and the lake. Come on here, Lovey. And then you got the view of the rest of the resort over here on this side. Check this out too. You got your own little sitting bench right here.
I don't want to leave.
You want a store? I know. I don't want to leave this resort. I love this resort. But yeah. This is our room tour. We'll show you some more. Now you might have guessed by the Skyliner, our number 2 favorite. Yes, it's the Disney Riviera Resort. This place is unbelievable. Let's take a look. ATT Scott, we're here at the Disney Riviera Resort, and I'm gonna do a room tour. Let's go. I'm in 85, look at Echoes. Hello, hello. Room 8513. Wait till you see the view. Let me show you. Whoa, my goodness. We got all our snacky snacks, microwave, all your goodies, and then of course our bed. What the heck? Look at him.
Look at him. He's
Already
making
rest.
himself at home.
He's taking his nappy nap because we were at Animal Kingdom all day, so he's so tired. He's tired, and then I got my hats. ETT Squad, I got all my hats. Vacay all day. I got this hat, and then I got Summer Vibes. Oh yeah. God, I just love all the light fixtures. We had to show them the light fixtures. And then you got besides that, you got your full bed with drawers underneath, so you could put your suitcases. I forgot, love you could put your suitcases underneath the bed.
Yeah.
And then you have your flat screen. Then you have,
Got it?
yeah, I got it. I think Baby Yoda, look at this. Pascal, look at this. This is so awesome. I love this. Or check this out. Baby Yoda, do your magic trick. Do your magic trick. Open. Whoa, look at this. And then you got your another. Whoa, look at. Oh, it makes all these noises too. Another bed, kids. Look at this. Dalmatians, 101 Dalmatians. Baby Yoda's so happy. He wants to watch all the shows. He wants to watch Disney Plus. Then you got your little table. And then the best part of this room, wait till you see the view. The Skyliner. Look at this. Look at the Skyliner, how gorgeous it looks like. I'm so excited. You excited to go back to Planet Batu? Yeah? If you know me, ETT Squad, then you would already have known that Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Club Level is our number 1 favorite room with the view. And other perks, of course. Take a look. Hey everyone, hi ETT Squad. Guess where we're at?
Animal Kingdom
Animal Kingdom
Lodge.
Lodge.
This is one of our favorite resorts.
I love this resort. We're gonna show you giraffes, zebras, elephants, maybe Dumbo's out there.
Ostriches too.
Dumbo ostriches.
All from our window. It's so much fun. We absolutely love it.
Actually, what should we do first? Should we show them the room first?
Let's show them the room.
Let's go look at the room. Come on. We're in 6206. We've had this room many times.
It's beautiful. We've seen so many animals outside of our room.
Magic
Why even go to the
band.
park?
Whoa! I got my own mirror to look at my dresses.
And all of our safari hats.
Look at our safari hats, ETT squad.
Make sure we have safari chic outfits on right now.
Little mini kitchenette. You got the sink.
All the coffee you can drink. Yes, I can promise I will probably go through these cups of coffee just in one day.
But wait a minute, we have the cappuccino machine out in club level. And we got our bed. And look.
A lot more than two right now, though.
We got,
all
we
the
got
teddy
some,
bears.
Look who came. Wow, look. We got a lot of little.
We have the hyenas.
The hyena, the giraffe, Simba.
More giraffes. And
A
Timon
little
and
giraffe.
Pumbaa.
I love that too. Oh,
Aquarium.
so cute.
Outside.
The outside is the best part. Check out the outside. Where are the animals at? Where's the giraffes?
We've seen so many animals out here this morning. One of my favorite was the ostrich.
Oh, the ostrich are out here?
Yeah.
Hopefully they come out later on. Actually, I love when the giraffes sleep
Oh,
right here in the
it's
corner.
right over there.
He's gonna do the tour of the food with us, the appetizers. You ready?
He needs a little magic
You wanna
band.
hold him? Let's go.
Here we go, everyone.
Here we go. Okay, you grab the plate.
And
You
a
got-
zebra.
and a zebra.
Can I get 2 plates? One for my zebra friend, one for me?
Yes.
Is
And
that
then-
okay?
Look, they have all these dips.
Not only that, but they also have all different kinds of naan bread, an assortment of bread and crackers. So fantastic. It's like Sanaa
Yeah.
without waiting. And we even
but
have
look,
animals here.
You got sun-dried tomato hummus. You got, what is this one
Barbecue
called?
goat cheese.
Bear goat cheese. That one sounds good. And then sag.
We have ranch.
How do you say this one? Sag dal ranch.
It's African for ranch dressing. Oh my
And then-
goodness. And coriander
chutney, yogurt. These are good. And then we move on to the cucumber salad.
goodness.
And then you got your famous.
To balance it out, kettle chips.
Yeah, kettle chips. The famous kettle chips. They make them downstairs. They make those downstairs. And this is my favorite. This is your favorite part?
This is my favorite part because there's lots of goldfish crackers.
And check this out. They even have pink. Watch this. Get some.
Yogurt
Pink.
covered pretzels with my favorite color.
I wonder what flavor.
I don't know. Let's try it. Let's
Try
all try
it.
one.
You like
Raspberry?
it?
It's raspberry.
Raspberry, yummy.
It's amazing.
Well, get your treats.
Oh
Get
my
some, let's get some
goodness.
treats. Actually, what is this right
They have
here?
spiced nuts.
This is different. What is that right there? Interesting. What is that?
It looks like corn.
Interesting. I don't know. I've never seen that before.
Let's all
Interesting.
try
And then of course
guess.
everyone
Whatever it is, it's really good.
and then everyone knows these, right? This is Amy and Alicia's favorite.
I love
goldfish.
goldfish.
They love
I'm a
goldfish.
vegetarian, so that's the only fish I can eat.
Yeah.
Oh my
Under
goodness.
the sea,
And last
under
but
the
not
sea.
least, they have all different kinds of cookies.
They got granola. Put a little
Oh.
bit of granola there. And then you got your jelly beans. Look at the jelly beans. All types of jelly
Cookies.
beans. And then sugar cookies and
Can I
chocolate
just take
chip
the whole
cookies.
plate? Can that be my plate? We'll switch.
And then this is a new thing. Look, they got soupy soup. What do they have this time? South African.
Chicken corn chowder,
Yummy. That sounds good.
butternut
And then
squash
they got
soup.
butternut squash.
That's the same soup they serve at Boma.
Yep, and Sanaa, right? They serve it at Sanaa? I think they do.
I love
Sometimes they
it
do.
because we get all the amenities of like Boma and all these restaurants at the comfort of our hotel room.
Yeah.
Can walk right
You know,
out.
why go to the park right now? But we are going to go to the park in a little bit.
Go ride some Pandora and the safari.
Yeah, I can't wait.
I don't
And
know if
Flight
we
of
can
Passage, I
bring-
can't wait. The Flight of Passage is my favorite.
I don't know if our zebra friend can come with us though.
No, he can't come.
He does
We
not
have
have
no
a pass.
fast, no fast passes for zebra friend.
I think we're missing one more thing.
What are we missing? I know.
The cappuccino.
Cappuccino Nespresso cappuccino machine.
Okay, so if you haven't could tell, I have really high energy right now. I've had 3 espressos.
Yeah, she's already had 3 espressos, but you know what we can
so
make?
How does it work?
It's so easy. I'm gonna choose. You can choose whatever one.
Yeah, you choose,
One.
Sheldon.
I'm gonna choose the caramel. Make sure you don't get it confused with the decaf. You don't need that. You
need
put
the
it
high energy.
right in here, and all you do is pull the lever and press cappuccino.
That's it. Don't forget it.
See? So easy. And personally, I think it tastes better than Starbucks.
Yeah. Starbucks, move over. You have nothing compared to Nespresso.
It will give us high energy for all the extra magic hours we're gonna have.
Look, he's like, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Look at his face, huh?
I think Andrew should get a mohawk like zebra friend.
Yeah, right. All 3 of us walk. And voila, you got your cappuccino. Question time, ETT squad. How would you rank these 5 resort rooms? Do you agree with me, or would you change the order? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, hit that like button.
What's that?
Did you go look for some gold? Did you pan some
I've
gold?
been looking and looking. I think this claim's all tapped out.
Your pan's empty.
Oh, yeah. Tell me about
No
it.
gold.
Yeah. I'm struck and rich.
You gotta find yourself a golden nugget out there here at Copper
Nuggets.
Creek.
Oh, yeah. Keep
Those
dreaming that dream.
gold
More like
nuggets
gold
are
dust.
awesome.
You sit in the river all day looking for gold.